Good morning and welcome to day 4 of the vlog, daily vlog. It's been pretty tough, but not as hard as I thought it would be, filming myself every day and then editing it before I go to bed. I've got in this routine a little bit, so it's not been too bad, but yeah, so we're here. This is a basketball court place area. I don't even really know what this is all used for, but it's mainly just parking for our scooters. So right now it's just mine. I'm here pretty early in the morning, but by the end of today, this whole thing will be filled back there, along with this basketball court as well. So yeah, and then so everyone parks here that can. There's some other parking, some other places, but this is where we've been parking. And then we walk over to Dojo, Bali to work for a little while. And it's not too far, so it's not too bad. It's crazy being here. You never know what you're gonna run into. Like this little old cow. How's it going, cow? What's up? So, yep, they're everywhere. Cows and dogs and cats and all sorts of stuff like that. And people. There's another cow right over there. And this is where I'll be working for today. Alright, so I'm here in the co-working space, about to get started, but before I do, I have to get power to my computer, and the only way I can do that is with this power adapter that my mom got me for Christmas. Thank you, Mom. I don't think she thought I would have needed it as much, but I use it every single day. I have to use it at the Airbnb and in here as well. So it has these two little prongs on it, and then this part comes off. So if I wanted to switch it out with a different adapter, I can do that. But I got 2 plugins, 2 USBs, and I'm good to go. There's also this little cable here if I need to plug in one of those micro USBs as well. So that goes with my headphones, so I'm easily able to do that as well, charge my headphones. But yeah, their outlets are kind of weird. Instead of like being a flush surface, it's kind of indented in like this. So what you have to do is get this, and then just plug it in here, like that. Then we're good to go. Now I can get my computer set up, plugged in, and get started to work. Love you. Well, I'm gonna go downstairs and get some breakfast. I don't know if they have any because it's technically Saturday here, so we'll find out, I guess. Are y'all just serving this now, or do y'all serve the rest of the stuff? All of it? And my pancakes here, and it looks delicious. Well, now it's time to get back to work, so here I go. Alright, I'm exhausted. I know Alex is. We've been working all day, a lot longer than I was anticipating. I'm hungry, I'm hangry, and we gotta go. We gotta get out of here, grab something to eat, and then I don't know, I kind of just want to go back to bed. So I may do that. Can I get the meat lover pizza and then the passion fruit? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, that was delicious. I think we're gonna go get maybe a phone mount for the scooter so I don't drop my phone again, the one I'm borrowing. Gonna be good.